In this video, you're going to learn how to use the AccuZip 6 print-only version to create your processing acknowledgement forms for your clients. This is the quickest way to enter PAFs for your customers, and it's the quickest way to get back PAF IDs because you can get them back instantly. So first, you're going to open up your email. You'll find the AccuZip 6 print-only edition download link. You're going to click on that to download it. You'll install that print-only version. Now, also in your email, there's going to be a file called custdata.ini. You're going to download that file once the software is installed. You're going to download it into the AccuZip 6 5.0 print-only support folder. Download it right into here. It will replace this existing custdata.ini file. Now, once you've done those things, now you can launch the print-only software. Close up File Explorer here. Launch the print-only version. The third thing that you received in your email is something called a PAF UUID. The PAF UUID is necessary in order to start using this feature. So pull down the Additions menu to move update. Go to PAF Management Activation and enter your UUID into this screen. The account number will already be there. And then hit Save. Click Close. Now you're ready to start using the feature. So pull down the Additions menu to move update. Create new PAF. Go ahead and select it. And now we can start entering customer information. Your information is already going to appear at the bottom of the screen, so you don't have to touch that. But you're going to start entering your customer information up here. Start with the company name. Put in your customer's first name and last name. Put in their job title. Put in their email address. Put in their address. AccuZip will automatically validate it. Just tab right past the zip. Enter the phone number. Enter the customer's NAICS number. If you need help with that number, you can click here and do a quick search. And that's it. Enter that information and you're done. Next, you'll hit Send for Approval. The Send for Approval is going to go to this email address, the email address that you put in for the mail list owner. Once they open that email, and that email is sent instantly, so they should get it seconds after you hit the Send for Approval button. They'll open the email, they'll read through it, hit the Approve button, and then if you're staying on this screen, at the time that they hit approve, you'll get a status message that reads, customer has approved the PAF, and then you can hit save. Now, if you close this window, you can go ahead and check the status of any of your PAFs that are still pending by going to an Additions menu, move update, open existing PAF, navigate right to. Now, what you're going to look for are the ones that are called, that say they're pending. So you select one of them, and then you hit check status. Mail list owner approved the PAF. You're all done. If you select the pending and you check the status and it says the mail list owner approved the PAF, that pending will change to a PAF ID. Click Close and you're all done. To create a new one, again, Additions, move update, create new PAF. You're ready to go. You can install this print-only version on as many computers as you like. Again, you just need, when you install it on these computers, you need the custdata.ini file. That needs to be downloaded in the support folder after the software has been installed, and you need that PAF UUID. Once you have those three things, you're ready to start using this software.